In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create a new wiki in Wikispaces. And once you log into Wikispaces using your user ID and password, you'll see the Wikispace homepage. And probably the most important thing on this screen is if you've already created wikis or you've subscribed to previous wikis, they'll all be listed in this part of the screen. But in order to create a new wiki, you'll see the Create Wiki button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Select that. And then the next window that you're going to see, it's asking you to complete this field of the industry that you're working in. And with the drop-down window, you'll select K through 12 education, and then select Continue. And then you'll have another window that has a few fields that we need to populate. And the first, being the most important, is obviously your wiki name. I would suggest using something that represents the class that you're teaching, and you can use anything between 3 and 32 characters. So for example, I'm teaching a coordinate algebra class in part 1 of that class, so I'm going to call mine CA part 1, and you'll see the extension that's automatically added onto that for Wikispaces. So the next field that we're going to select, we're going to leave the default value in there for United States because that's obviously where we're working. And then the field after that is the school that you registered your Wikispace under. Now if that school doesn't show up, you can select the drop-down window and implement a search, and it should find the school if you've changed schools for some reason. But we're going to leave this as is. And then the next field is optional, but if you want to put in the actual course name, which in this case would be coordinate algebra, we'll do that. And then you can select the grade that you're teaching. And again, these fields are optional, but I like to enter them in. And then the last thing is you want to certify that the wiki that you're using is being used for education. And then once you do that, you select Create, and Wikispaces returns back to the home page, and you'll see the new wiki that was created. And then to access that wiki, you simply click on the link, and it brings up the home page for that wiki, and you can see the name of your wiki at the top left-hand corner of the screen, CA Part 1. And then Wikispaces automatically creates different windows and fields that have default information in them. And in the next screencast, I'll show you how to delete all this, and we'll actually add content to our new Wikispace. But in the meantime, creating a new wiki is a simple process. You log into Wikispaces, select Create a Wiki, and enter your wiki name, and that's pretty much it, and you're ready to go.